Right, tyre challenge time. Laura, all yours.
Well, Tony, as we're in a motor museum, we thought it would be more than appropriate for us to have a motor style challenge. Now, the challenge is changing a tyre, but not on any old car. No, on one of these, a Formula One car. So our weather team up against our sports team. Are you ready? Let's find out who's best. On your marks, get set, go! Oh my goodness! I think the weather girls are on it, I hate to say. With Alexis's strong arms. Oh, weather girls are the winners. Boys, poor show. Jamie, thank you very much. Girls, you did that. Girls, you did that in 12 seconds. The pros do it in 4. Well done, that's awesome. Sally, could you have done better?
Absolutely not. I'd have got somebody else to do it. Never do it yourself if you've got somebody else who can do it, I reckon, Laura.